a 55-year-old business executive is there, and he's complaining of distorted objects. Then also history of painless loss of vision, no history of trauma, no history of surgery, fundus appearance have been given, FFA appearance have been given, and they are asking you the most probable diagnosis. Now, first of all, this person is a business executive. Then he is having a painless loss of vision from 3 to 4 days. So again, that means this person is coming with the sudden painless loss of vision. So think about the posterior segment. See, this the victim really works. Then you have distortion. Distortion matlab, think about the macula. Yes, because the sharpest image of the object is formed on the macula. So whenever you have distorted objects seen, what is this called as? This is called as metamorphopsia. This is called as the metamorphopsia. So whenever I am having the distortion of the objects, we have metamorphopsia. Always think about the macular pathology. अब macula में what are the pathologies I can have? I can have CSR, I can have CME, I can have ARMD, I can have a macular hole could be there, or we can have a macular dystrophy. These are the common things that I have to look. Now, because they are saying that there is no history of trauma or any intraocular surgery, so I'm not thinking about this cystoid macular edema. See, I am telling you how to judge from the question. From the picture, you can take out directly also. Then the person is a business executive and a 55 years age. So I am not thinking about ARMD because this is found after 60 years. Okay? Now, if I think about the dystrophy, so dystrophies are usually common in the younger age. If I'm thinking about the Stargardt disease and childhood is the best disease, I'm not thinking about dystrophy. Then macular hole. Macular hole may usually you get it from the trauma, or you get it from solar retinopathy, any history of light retinopathy, or we can have this infrared radiation. So all these things are there. Then you will have negative after image after the macula. So that is not there. So maybe you can keep it one of the options. And then we are strongly suspecting about CSR, because central serous retinopathy, if you think about this CSR, that is central serous retinopathy, this is very, very common in cases of males, especially 20 to 50 years of age, and who are your type A personality, and those who are having the stress, having the steroids, as well as the smoking. So all, as I always say, that this whole total makes a business executive, and that is why it's very, very common in business executive. So look at this, 55 years male business executive, distortion is also there, and the moment you look at the FFA, you are getting the typical, mushroom. So mushroom is there, and that mushroom pattern is very, very typical of the CSR. You are getting a circular ring sign also. And if you look at the OCT, then this is again very, very typical. Can you see there is a elevation of the neurosensory retina in the macular area? So you are left with no confusion that this is a case of the CSR. All right.